First of all, we will understand the meaning of computer virus. Computer virus is a type of malicious software or malware that is designed to replicate itself. Replicate means to make duplicate copies of itself. Computer virus is capable of spreading from one computer to another. The word virus has been used in computer virus. What is the meaning of this virus? This virus has been taken from the that virus which infects the human beings. Computer virus is named after the biological virus because of its ability to self-replicate and spread from one computer to another, much like a biological infection. As you know, that COVID-19 or coronavirus was a virus which was capable of replicating itself and spread from one person to another. In the same way, computer virus is capable of making duplicate copies of itself and spread from computer to computer. Computer viruses are created by individuals or groups with malicious intent, and such persons are known as hackers or cyber criminals. It may be noted that no antivirus software can uncover all computer viruses, though we may purchase some antivirus from the market and install it on our computer system. We cannot say that our computer system is fully protected because there are some new viruses which are of recent origin and are not in the knowledge of those companies who are developing antivirus. So in respect of those recent viruses, the antivirus is not effective because the companies take time to develop antivirus in respect of those new versions of the computer virus. The computer virus infects the files, programs present on the computer system without the knowledge or permission of the user. It spreads from one computer to another, leaving infections as it travels. Almost all viruses are attached to an executable file. What is the meaning? It means that the viruses may exist on your computer system, but the computer virus will not be active or able to spread from one system to another until a user runs or opens the malicious host file or program. There are a lot of viruses in the world and new viruses are coming up every day. It is important for all of us to be aware of the viruses and other malware that may affect our computer systems, and we should take necessary steps to protect our system from these viruses rather than being sorry. Computer viruses are a cause of great concern as they are causing a lot of damage to our computer systems, and thereby the companies and the individuals are suffering from billions of dollars of financial loss. Some interesting facts about computer viruses. Studies show that author of malicious software is typically a male between 14 and 25 years of age. Computer virus writing is illegal in some countries. Next, nearly every second computer in China is infected by some form of malware. Next, 47% of free Android antivirus programs cannot properly detect malware. The most devastating computer virus to date is MyDoom, which caused over $38 billion in damages. Next, USA is one of those countries with most virus threats. Next, organizations in the United States are among the most prepared for cyber attacks. In spite of having a large number of security programs and security methods, there is not a single antivirus that can detect and clean all types of viruses. So, all of us should adopt cybersecurity best practices. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.